Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to clear history in significant location system services on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and go to privacy sections, then click the location services. Then in the location services, scroll down and click the system services. Then in the system services, scroll down again and click the significant locations. Then in the significant locations, find the clear history and click it. Then a pop-up will appear, then click again the clear history. And that's it, we have successfully cleared history in significant location system services on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!